So in this video, the final exam review number 4, we will be discussing the gross profit and retail method. Okay, so let's start the gross profit and retail method. So usually we calculate the cost of goods sold as beginning inventory at purchase, then goods available for sale, then ending inventory, and finally we have the cost of goods sold, right? So, and under the gross profit method, what we do, we start with beginning inventory, then we add net purchase, then we have the goods available for sale and cost of goods sold estimated. This is the estimated one, and the ending inventory. Finally, we get this one. So this is how we calculate. And let's see one example. See that the beginning inventory from the records and plus net purchase from the records and goods available for sale we have, and now less cost of goods sold. So how do you do that? Net sales less estimated gross profit 40% of sales, so that is 800,000. So estimated cost of goods sold would be this one, meaning net sales minus gross profit. So we have the cost of goods sold. Okay, so we will subtract this cost of goods sold from this goods available for sale. So finally we have the estimated ending inventory. So cost of goods sold can also be calculated, see, this way we have done this. Okay, so and here is the retail method. So what we do, amount of ending inventory is equal to goods available for sale minus sales. So cost to retail percentage is equal to goods available for sale at cost divided by goods available for sale at retail. Okay, let's see one example. So beginning inventory, see the cost and retail, goods available for sale under cost under retail. So cost to retail percentage would be this one divided by this one, and let's see. So how do we do that? This one divided by this one. So we have that one. So 62%. So less net sales, we have this one. Estimated ending inventory at retail is this one. And how do we get? Okay, so estimated ending inventory at cost would be 62% of this value. See that? Okay, we have also solved this one in class as well. Okay, and in case of markup, so initial markup, additional markup, markup cancellation, markdown, and markdown cancellation. So we have these information. So these are the informations for another example we have. So let's see how do we do that. So you can pause it and watch it. See, we have added net purchase and then net markups, less net markdowns. Okay, goods available for sale, and say, see, this is the cost and this is the retail. So we have divided the cost by retail. We have the cost to retail percentage 64%, and the estimated ending inventory at cost would be 64% of this value, meaning the estimated ending inventory at retail. Okay, so let's see two examples. So here we have one example. Let's see. Inventory on hand at the end of the October was, see, 58,500. The following information we have also: purchase, freight in, sales returns, purchase returns. Okay, in addition, the controller is aware of that 8,000 of the inventory was stolen during November from one of the company's warehouses, and there are two requirements. Calculate the estimated inventory at the end of the November. Assuming the gross profit ratio is 40%. Calculate the estimated inventory at the end of the November, assuming a markup on cost is 100%. Okay, So here is the solution to the requirement 1. So we have started with beginning inventory, then add purchase, net purchase. So how did you get that? So purchase, this one is the purchase amount, okay, and we have the purchase returns of 4,000. So we have 106,000. And the freight in, we have added this one, the cost of goods available for sale, then less cost of goods sold, so net sales less estimated gross profit 40% for requirement number 1, and estimated cost of goods sold is this one. So estimated cost of inventory before theft is this one. Before theft, actually before stolen, okay, it should be stolen. Okay, so less stolen inventory and estimate any inventory is 54,500. Okay, and let's see the second one, requirement number 2. Okay, so up to this it is same as it is before, and here we have the estimated gross profit. Just this one is different, the 50%, and here it is saying they are assuming a markup on cost is 100%. So when the markup is on cost is 100%, so what we do is we will calculate the gross profit on sales is equal to 100%, okay, divided by 1 plus 100%. Okay, actually you can say there is 1 plus 1, that is 50%. Okay, so estimate the cost of estimated, actually it should be estimated cost of goods sold, this one. So estimated cost of inventory before theft is 80,000 and stolen inventory is 8,000. So estimated ending inventory would be 72,000. Okay,